The Academic Resource Center is the university's centralized department that offers academic support, supporting all of the university's undergraduate students. We're really helping students to bridge the gap from kind of where they are to where the university wants them to be academically.
I noticed that these resources helped me my freshman year. I think going from high school to college is such a different way of studying and learning.
It was, I think, the second week of the quarter when I realized, like, oh, I'm really going to be needing help in this class. So I was glad that the ARC was able to help me with that.
We offer a number of dynamic programs. So we have the campus tutoring program, supplemental instruction, peer mentoring programs, along with the math placement assessment and the Highlander Early Start Academy, which is the university's summer bridge program.
They have a lot of amazing resources such as tutoring, and then also my favorite is the supplemental instruction.
We have found for the past 15 years or so is that students that participate in supplemental instruction, we call it SI, earn up to a whole grade higher in their courses compared to students that do not.
It's really hard to get to know your professors and classmates in like a class of almost like 100+ students. Coming to the ARC and getting one-on-one tutoring, it really helped me academically get close with my peers and truly understand the subject.
I definitely think besides academic improvement that I've seen in my students is also just like a confidence to go through with their academics, because sometimes they just need a space where they talk about what's going on with them.
I think I wasn't expecting the support from the faculty and the staff here to be as much as it was. They really come across as people that can just help you with any issues, or if they can't help you, then they can connect you with people who can help you.
So we really try to make it as accessible as possible to all students so that they can really make it a part of their experience as an undergraduate here at the university.
I would say that people here at the ARC are really here for your help, and this is a completely judgment-free zone. And just to take advantage of these resources, because there's truly no harm in asking someone for help and getting that advice that you didn't even know you needed.
So when students are struggling or just kind of not sure, my advice is to always just reach out to the ARC, reach out to your academic advisor. Even if you're not sure what that help may look like, say, hey, I need some support. And again, there are so many services and programs here at the university that will point you in the right direction.
Just make an appointment. Maybe you'll find somebody who shares the same interests as you. Also, if you wanted to come in and just try it without making an appointment, there's always walk-in sessions and you could do the same there.